How to check if your YouTube channel has community guideline strikes. Hey there, this is Max, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, I'll show you how to check if your YouTube channel has any community guideline strikes, quickly and easily. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Install YouTube Studio. First, head over to the Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iOS and search for YouTube Studio. Once you find it, hit that Install button and let it download. Step 2. Open YouTube Studio. Once installed, open the app. Step 3. Navigate to Community Guidelines. In the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Scroll all the way down until you see the option labeled Follow Community Guidelines. If the toggle or indicator is green, congratulations! Your channel is in good standing with no guideline strikes. Final thoughts. And that's it, a simple way to keep track of your channel's health. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow YouTube tips. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. This is Max, signing off. See you in the next one.